Good morning, students. Today we will be doing the third type of formal letter, that is the official letter. Earlier we were doing the business letters, which are of 4 or 5 types that we have done finished. Now we will be doing the official letters, and official letters we all know when we directly write to the official, when we don't take help of the newspaper editor to show our concern or to share our problem. Okay, when we directly write to any of the officer, that is called the official letter. Okay, so let us see. Official letters are written addressing the public or civil servants, concerned authorities directly regarding a civic issue. When we directly write to the officer, then the letter which we write is called the official letter. Okay, so format remains same, we all know, and some of the things that we need to add in the body of the letter, that are in the opening paragraph, in the introductory paragraph, what we need to write means we must direct the attention of the concerned authorities towards the problem by highlighting the problem briefly. Okay, in the main paragraph means in the second paragraph we will write the causes of the problem and its after effects, okay, of the problem. Then we have to state clearly the factors responsible for the resulting consequences of the unchecked problem. Means when the problem will not be solved, then what will be the consequences of that particular problem. Okay, now in the concluding paragraph, what we want from that authority means what he should do, those suggestions we will mention in our letter, means offer possible suggestions for resolving of the problem or for its improvement. Okay, now let us see the sample letter so that it will be more clear. In all cities, road rage has become a serious problem. A minor scratch, a little push, or a small brushing past car can lead to a scuffle, sometimes resulting even in murder. Write a letter in 120 to 150 words, means the limit of the formal letter is 100 to 150. Okay, therefore 120 to 150 is written here. Words to the police commissioner giving your views on the problems and its solution. You are Karan, AM 14, Mall Road, Delhi. Okay, so this is the sender's address. Then who will be the receiver? Police commissioner will be the receiver of that particular city, means Delhi. Okay, so first of all we will write M14 Mall Road, New Delhi. Then we will leave one line. Then we will write today's date. What is the date today? Today is 25th of April 2020. Okay, then we will again leave one line and write the police commissioner, Mukherjee Nagar, Delhi. Okay, then again we will leave one line and write subject. What will be the subject? Subject will be the complaint about the problem of road rage. Okay, now after subject again we will leave one line and write the salutation. Salutation means sir. Then again we will leave one line and begin to write our letter. I am writing this letter to bring into your notice the increasing incidence of road rage in the big cities. It has become a serious problem in almost all the major cities. It can take on various forms, ranging from a minor scratcher or from a minor scratcher means the problem can arise due to a simple scratching even. Okay, means a very small things take a big step in the life of a person due to this type of stress. A little push or a scuffle, sometimes resulting even in murder. Generally, the main cause of most road rage is stress. means the stress by which each and every person is suffering nowadays. So that stress reveals out when some point we get to uh, take that out. Most aggressive drivers lose their patience and temper as a request of frustration, as a result of frustration. When time is running out, some drivers tend to make actions to get their way back into the road without caring about the safety of other road users. Means some of the drivers don't even care that who is behind their vehicle or who are moving in front of them. They just make their own way without caring others' life. Okay. Not all road rage incidents result in accident but involve aggressive acts. In most aggressive cases, weapons are used. Okay, people don't feel fear of using the weapons even. Almost every motorist is always armed with the knife. Okay, almost all the every motorist is armed with the knife, firearms, etc. Nowadays, people have become less tolerant of others and everybody wants to get ahead of others. Okay, this is a general problem and does not abide by the traffic rules. I therefore request you to look into the matter and put strict rules into practice and penalize the defaulters so that such incidents that are not repeated in future. So, I therefore from here the concluding paragraph will begin and in future it will end. Okay, then after the completion of the letter we will be leaving one line and we will write thanking you. Then again we will leave one line and write yours faithfully. Name here Karuna and Karan is given, therefore we can write Karuna or Karan. So this was the official letter. Okay.